ब्रो मैं पूरा बैकएंड लिख दूंगा. Stop. If you're going to a hackathon with this mindset, you are already losing. Because in 2026, the guy next to you has AI writing his backend in 8 minutes. So, what actually won hackathons in India today? Not coding, not sleepless nights, not 40 GitHub commits. It's something else. And students don't get it. Let's fix it. Quick question here for you. How many of you have participated in a hackathon, built something cool, and still didn't get even in top 10? Exactly. Now let me tell you something slightly uncomfortable. You didn't lose because your model accuracy was 91% instead of 94%. You lost because your thinking wasn't sharp enough. And AI has changed the game completely. Hackathons in India are not coding context anymore. Look at the platforms like SIH, DevFoils, Unstopped. Earlier, the best coder won. Today, everyone has ChatGPT, Copilot, pre-trained models, boilerplates, templates. Coding is not a commodity. Judgment is not. Hackathons are now mini startup simulations, and if you treat them like coding context, you will lose. Here's the hard fact that judges don't care about your tech stack, they care about will this actually work in India? That's it. Let's discuss the solution to tackle this. Step 1. Pick a problem that hurts in India. Most students build AI study planners, AI resume screeners, AI chatbot. Judges have seen this 500 times. Instead, ask what hurts in India. Example that instantly stand out are AI detecting digital arrest scam in Hindi. Farmer upload crop photo through WhatsApp. Disease detected. AI summarizing court case backlogs. Voice to FIR system for rural police station. If your solution works in tier 3 Indian cities, judges lean forward. This is why teams at SIH often wins with governance or agricultural focused solution. The pain is prioritized in fancy UIs. Here's a 10-second test. If your idea can't be explained in one sharp sentence, it is complicated. Winning idea sounds like we reduce crop loss by 20% using AI disease detection. Clean, sharp, and powerful. Step 2. Use AI like a weapon. AI is not your project. AI is your accelerator. Here's how smart teams use it. Generate backend in 20 minutes. Auto create documentation. Refactor messy codes. Generate pitch deck outline and compare models for cost. Now here's what makes you dangerous. When you say during Q&A, we chose this lightweight model because rural bandwidth is limited. Boom! That's the strategic thinking. Now just AI usage. Let's move towards the judge point of view. Imagine you are a judge. You have seen 30 demos already. You are tired. Then one team comes and says our system works offline first and supports Hindi plus Marathi. Suddenly, you are interested. Why? Context win. Step 3. Here's the brutal reality. Indian students overbuild. You try to ship web apps, Android apps, dashboards, analytics, admin panel, and blockchain for no reason. All in 36 hours. Just stop. Build one smooth flow. Let's take an example. Farmer upload image. AI detects disease. Remedies in Hindi. SMS sent. That's it. Working beats impressive, always. Let's talk about the harsh reality. Judges do not open your GitHub repos. They watch your demos, and that's it. Your demo is 80% of your scope. Structure it like this. First, problem, Indian specific stats. Second, why current system fails. Third, your solution. Fourth, live demo, impact, and then scalability. High energy, no reading from slides, confident transaction. Remember, many hackathons involve professors plus industry mentors. Make it simple enough for both. And here's a hidden advantage. Communication. At most Indian hackathons, the best speaker win ties. Your team needs one person who can speak clearly, structure thoughts, handle Q&A calmly. If no one can confidently explain your AI model choice, judges assume that you copied it. Harsh but truth. And let me share with you all the 30 seconds winning pitch formula: hook, insight, solution, demo, impact, and vision. Under 3 minutes. Rehearse it 5 times before final round. Real pattern from Indian winners. Look at finalists across SIH, DevFoil hosted Web3 events, IIT Tech Fest hackathons. The common trait in all this are real world use cases. AI used thoughtfully, focused MVP, clear impact, and strong pitch. No over engineering, no random features, just clarity. The truth nobody tells you is AI has made building easy, which means thinking is now the differentiator. The next hackathon winner is not the best coder, it's the best decision maker. If you remember just 5 things from this that pick painful Indian problems: scope tightly, use AI strategically, demo confidently, pitch like a startup founder, you stop participating and start winning. Thank you.